Welcome to our guide on fixing payment issues on the Stake app. If you've been experiencing any troubles, you're in the right place. Let's first explore some common payment problems users face, such as declined payments or incorrect transaction details. Now, we'll provide a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to help you resolve these issues effectively. First, check the validity of your payment method. Ensure your card is valid and set for international transactions if needed. Next, verify your account balance and ensure you're within the transaction limits imposed by the app or your payment provider. It's also vital to ensure your internet connection is secure and stable, as connectivity issues can affect transaction success. Make sure your Stake app is updated to the latest version to benefit from improvements and bug fixes. If issues persist, don't hesitate to contact Stake support for assistance. They're there to help you out. Finally, take preventative measures for future payments, like regularly checking your payment methods and account settings. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can effectively resolve payment issues on the Stake app. Thank you for watching.